How to transfer money from Step to Cash App. So first we need to connect our accounts. For this, we're going to click on the profile icon in the top right corner. And here we have to select linked banks. Then select the option to link a debit card. And here is where you will type out your Step card information. So the debit card number, the expiration date, CVV, as well as your zip code. After you have filled in this information right here with your Step card, then if you want to transfer money, we have to go back to the main page of Cash App. And right here, we can use Step to either request or pay. So click on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. And if you want to transfer money from Step to Cash App, then basically all we have to do is select this option to add cash. Select the amount that you would like to add. If you would like to add a current custom amount, you can click on these three dots. But I'm going to do $100 for the sake of this tutorial. Click on add $100. And if your Step account has been linked to Cash App and your information is correct right here, it will just ask you to authorize the payment, and it will take the money from your Step account and it will transfer it to your Cash App. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.